Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left, that it is true, that by cancelling the EGR, the car consumes less diesel. The answer is yes, at low revs, because the EGR, they are operative when the car is idling. Or at low revs, when you accelerate the EGR is closed, so that fresh air enters the engine and that explosion inside the combustion chamber is more efficient, when the EGR is open. Part of those are mixed gases with the oxygen that enters, then, less amount of pure air would enter. With which there would be less oxygen and that explosion would be poorer, since the explosion is poorer. What happens is that a lower temperature is also reached inside the chamber of combustion. And what this does is that less nitrogen oxides are also produced, because you know that the air contains 21% oxygen, 78% nitrogen and almost 1% argon gas. Argon would not be affected by these temperatures, but the nitrogen yes, that's why it was created in the EGR, to avoid, precisely, those nitrogen oxides. Of course, the poorer the explosion because less nitrogen oxides are produced, but also the car will have less power, therefore, the EGR only work when idling or at low revolutions, since, when we accelerate the car's engine, it needs much more pure air, it needs the 21% of oxygen that is in the air, so that this explosion is more effective and the car has more power, and that is why the EGR is closed. Well, here I leave the video. If it has been useful, do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.